Hallelujah.
The pipe doesn't have anything to do with the water. But the simple function of the pipe is to transport the water. It is not because you are right upstairs. No. It is by the grace of God.
Bless them, and you will see whatever that is upon their life will cascade and
If you were here and you need
upon your life.
You need to reconnect. I wanted to come right here.
And when others come closer and they want to be around him, I take a step where I'm in backward. I want what is upon your life. I studied their books. I read their books in Kitikileza.
We are breathing by the grace of God that we are hearing.
Thixo waseJohn Cook. Thixo waseJohn Cook. Thixo wase